Okay, so I am here finally, guys, and the area is pretty. It looks pretty good. It looks like a demographic that I would definitely want to tap into. It looks to be high school kids in a nice suburban area, and a lot of moving traffic, but not a lot of foot traffic. See, that's the difference. A lot of moving traffic in cars, but I don't see any real foot traffic, to be honest. So this location would technically be a referral type of location from what I see. So that is going to be pretty interesting. So we will see, y'all. We just got to keep looking, and I'm about to walk up to the location right now. Let's see. So I'm still in the car, been waiting. I just texted him. He said he's there. I don't want to show no number, but he said he's there. So I guess we will try and go in. Hopefully it's something I like, guys. I know I'm not gonna want this property, and I'll explain to you guys later, but it's still, I like to see what's out there. I like to see the options, especially for this price he's talking about. I mean, this is okay area, I guess, but there's no walkthrough traffic at all. It's more so just driving, honestly. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. My head hurts. This is what I think the storefront is gonna be right here, and that's the dead. I need a window. I need a space to where I can see. I can't do that. I can't do it. Can't do it. It's not smart. Yeah.
This is the spot. This is a lot different.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one here, a lot bigger, and you have a bathroom. You control the air conditioning, the heating.
Okay.
As far as we do have a window here, okay?
Okay.
Again, depend on your business. I'm just thinking,
Yeah.
you come up, a lot of time, you know.
After me sitting there waiting for this guy, he ended up coming, and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't what I anticipated. So originally I wanted a storefront that was going to be exactly as I saw in the picture, right? But he then told me that that one was taken already, and this particular location, I'm looking for it to be more so used for like just repairs, pickups, drop-offs, things of that nature. But I do need to get a location on a main street in Philadelphia. So like 5th Street, Frankfurt Avenue, all of these places are like secondary streets, but one of the biggest streets you can get a store on in Philadelphia is Broad Street, because Broad Street anybody can get to because the subway runs exactly under Broad Street, right? So I'm really trying to get there, and now it's just more so about understanding the sacrifice that I'm willing to take. Now, I'm not looking for a huge space. So if you're someone that is looking to build a business or looking to start a business with a storefront eventually, one of the biggest things I can say, one of the best advice jewels I can give you would literally be to make sure that you are not overdoing it. And I can say I've overdid it plenty of times, because I've got big stores, I've got stores that had problems, I've had stores that were just perfect but the rent was astronomically high. I had stores that were just in a bad place. So it's like just understanding exactly what you're willing to take and put up with, but also making sure that you get the bigger the space you got to put products in, and you got to fill, and you got to make sure the customer experience is good. You got to make sure that you're visible. You got to make sure of a lot of things. And honestly, it's a headache, but it does pay off when you talk about the asset aspect of it, like having an asset that people can always walk into and you can make money literally, you know, that day doing. It is awesome. Like selling online is great. Selling online is way better than selling at a storefront. I'll tell you that, because it's less costing, and it gives you like you don't have to pay rent for a space. More so you pay, you know, $30 for Shopify, but you can put as much inventory as you want, so it gives you more flexibility. Now, one thing about this storefront that I didn't like is it didn't have a big window. But as I was trying to film, he didn't want me to film too much for some reason, so I tried to like sneak it a little bit. But when I stopped filming, I had asked him, like, is there a window behind this siding? And there looks to be a window behind the siding, and I have a couple contractors that I've already worked with. So I'm literally looking to just like literally work with them and try to get it to where, you know, we can do some type of construction and open up a window there. If I get that location, also I would need a glass door. So it's a full transformation, but I will say this, the rent is extremely cheap to be on a main street, but the location needs a lot of work. So it's always pros and cons, and it's just all about what are you willing to take that risk. And as far as the size is sort of kind of perfect, and I think that the size is something that is important to me, because I want to utilize all the size that I have, but I don't want to get too much size and then not be able to utilize it, right? So it's just all about weighing options. My guy was pretty late, which was really annoying, but when he got there, he was really cool. So I don't know how I feel about it. You guys just gonna have to see. I appreciate you for watching, though, for sure. This is just, again, something that I do. Like, I just literally, I have a feeling, and you know, when you're an entrepreneur and you have this feeling, it's actually, I have a scared feeling, if you want me to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie and say, oh, I know, you know, that everything is going to be great and everything is going to be good, but I just have faith in myself and the lessons that I've learned. I feel like I can apply them, and I feel like I can do better, be better, because if you know better, you'll do better, hopefully, and not repeat the same mistakes. So that's sort of kind of where I'm at. And again, I'm a journey. I'm going to show you guys this journey, but I'm also going to journey it away. Like, I'm just going to journey it away. I'm just going to continue to believe in myself, and try to build to the best of my ability. And guys, this is a prime example of just distress, y'all, distress. But we are going to get it. I will see you guys in the next video. I actually got to go and look at the front again, and hash out some numbers. So guys, I hope you have a great day. And again, make sure you guys are making money work for you, not working for the money. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.